Welcome. In this video I will show you the quick way to change the background of any photo in Photoshop. For example, here is the photo with the white background. I change it to this color and red color. So you can change any color. So for that you need to use the photo with the plain background, white, the whole white, whole red are the same color. If you don't have the plain background photo, the video link is given in description. You first can learn how to make the plain background for any photo. So let's start for this video how to change the background. So I already have the white background color photo here. Open in the Photoshop. You need to click on the quick selection tool. Select on this, click on this. After that you need to click on the select object. Select object option is in the 2019 and above Photoshop. Click here. If your Photoshop is old version, then you just click on the photo and it will select it automatically. Okay, now you see the whole object is selected. So now you go to the search, or you can go to the adjustment menu. I go to the search, click search the solid colors. Click on solid color, or solid color you also can find from the adjust menu. Click OK. Now which background you want to make, you can select any background color. Here because the color is go inside the picture and background is still white. Later I will tell you how to change. First you can select the color. For example, I select here the green color or light blue color. I make it okay. So here you can go to the layer menus, click on the layer menu, select this one. With the color there is a white image. Click on this and I close the layer menu. Now you can see the properties menu. There is the option of invert. You need to click on the invert. So that color shifted to the background and the image is clear with this background color. So that was the quick way how you can change the background of any photo. You can select any color that you want. So that was all about it. If you have any question, you can write the comment. Thanks for watching.